We're here today discussing the all-new Gen Y iron grip pin.
So just a quick little video on how to install this. I know we've done some videos before, but one of the things that's very important when you install this is to make sure that your pin is pushed all the way against your receiver on your truck. This little piece will get installed from the other side, the other direction, and then your nut will turn on to here. So the tighter that this is against the side of this tube, and also if you start out with your hitch tight against this sidewall as well, the same side of the sidewall, that'll make it easier to tighten up. So if it's tight against this side, it'll be much harder to tighten this up. So if your hitch is all the way over and your this side is all the way against the receiver tube, it'll tighten up much better, much easier on your vehicle. So just a quick little piece of advice for you guys.
Thanks, Joel.